Hello and welcome back to my channel everyone. So again we have started our tarot reads and I am done with only Gemini right now, and I'm taking out the June monthly reads now. So this read is gonna be for our Taurus. So let's see how it's going for our Taurus. Is the Mercury retrograde hitting you guys also hard? Because I just saw that Geminis, it was pretty harsh for our Geminis, the Mercury retrograde. So we'll see what comes up for our Taurus. But remember, I have started doing the tarot reads again, and I'm also taking the personal reads. So if any of you need the personal read, I have some spots left, so I'll be posting the link in the description down below. You can go click on the link, fill the contact form there, and or I'll also be posting my Instagram link. You can simply DM me on Instagram, and I am actually more available on Instagram than Facebook or anywhere else. So if you need to contact me for any of the crystal queries, if you have any queries regarding to meditation or anything, maybe any of the yoga techniques, you can contact me on Instagram. The link will be down there. And let's start a read for the Taurus. Let's see how your past has been, Taurus. Oh wow, starting with the Wheel of Fortune and then the High Priestess. Wow. Let's see what's coming up in the present situation for our Taurus. And the future situation. Okay, Taurus. So, in the recent past that I see, we started with the Wheel of Fortune. So that means things changed in your life. Things changed at a very fast rate, but it all turned in your favor. That's what I can see here, because we do have the High Priestess here, but the energy that I'm getting from this High Priestess is that you did get to know something, but it made you stronger in life. It made you a lot more intelligent. It gave you some kind of inner strength, and whatever move you were not able to make in your life, now you'll be able to make that move, because in the present situation we do have the Fool card. So I know you were not able to see anything in front of you, but still you had to take this step in your life. Maybe that you had to leave this certain person, maybe that's something that you've done, but it is a giant leap that's really gonna turn good for you. And I do see some of the past people also coming in your life in the present situation, or maybe in the near future for some of you. Maybe in the next 2-3 days you'll be getting some phone calls from some ex or someone. So just ignore all those phone calls, because you have moved on in your life, and I don't think you need to go anywhere in the past to juggle around things. I mean, there's clearly no place for juggling right now in your life, because it took you a long while to get that inner strength. It took you a long while to actually get that strength. I do see that you cut some people off from your life. Might be some of you are still spying on those people, but for most of you, you have cut them off and you're just letting them go. Even though you get some phone call, maybe just from a friend, and they have started talking about your ex, or they have started telling you something about their ex, something about your ex, but you don't have to pay attention to that, because the future that I see for you, Taurus, is amazing. I do see the Queen of Pentacles, and also we have the Six of Cups. So in terms of finances, there's absolutely no problem in your case. If you're worrying about any of the financial situation, do not worry about it, because I do see that you're juggling in between two situations in terms of your finances. In the near future some juggling might come, but don't worry, you can handle it. So this retrograde is going good for our Taurus, and I'm happy about that. So also I do see that some of you would be meeting your family after a long time, or some of you would be going to your, maybe meeting your parents, grandparents, maybe after quite a long time. And you need that boost in your life, because you need that emotional strength from whosoever person is the closest to you. You need that strength, you need that change in your life, because you just cut someone off. And also the overall energy of the read that we got was the death card, so it is definitely an ending. As we can see here, that clearly you will be cutting this person off, although you'll still be just, spying at them, looking at them from quite a distance, but you are pretty strong. You have become strong enough to let this person go out of your life, because you can see the new beginnings coming. And just underneath the death card we had the King of Cups, which means someone new is also about to enter your life. So let this person go completely out of your life, so this person, this amazing person, can actually enter in your life. This person would be really gentle, will be matching your energies, will know you in a much better way, will try and understand all what you've gone through, or all what you are doing in your business or in your work. So this is a pretty nice person that you'll be meeting now. Could be a soulmate or a twin flame, we can say. I don't see the card of a twin flame, but we can say that this person could be your soulmate, and you will be sharing happy memories with this person. So it is an amazing read for our Taurus, at least for the month of June, because you are focused on your work and you're focused on your finances. Let's see if there's any kind of guidance that our Taurus people need in their life, or is there any kind of guidance that the universe wants to give you guys. Okay, universe, please guide our Taurus. Okay, so Taurus, victory is on your end, but since you just let this person go out of your life, I do see that you will be pretty guarded about your emotions, about your heart, because you might not just give it to anyone now. But someone would definitely be entering who will remove all these fears from your mind. It will take you some time, and also universe is telling you one major thing, that open up the gates, because I do see that right now whatever has happened in your life, you might have just locked your heart in a completely you are just very closed off right now. So you just need to open up a little bit, because we see the grass is greener on the other side, and you have blocked that path right there. So you just need to turn around and look on the brighter side. There are a lot of new things waiting for you, a lot of new people that can come and fix your broken heart. And yeah, don't feel very emotionally low, because I do see some of you might be feeling some emotional ups and downs because this person left. But there's victory on the other end. And if you hear anything in the background, my puppy is sleeping, so she snores sometimes. So yeah, so that was your read, Taurus. Pretty straightforward read. I think everything has already happened in your life. Maybe this full moon the last full moon, the blood moon that we had, that I also posted about in one of my videos. Maybe that gave you a lot of, that told you a lot of things about this person in your life. Also, if you need any personal read with me, again the link will be in the description box below, and you can also contact me on Instagram. The link will be down there, and you can follow me there as well, because I keep on posting a lot of guidance videos and a lot of sometimes live videos. I mean, not live videos, I do the live and then post it on IGTV. And what else? Yeah, I do post about crystals a lot there. So if any of you are interested in knowing about the crystals, you can definitely follow me on Instagram there. So that was your read. I'll see you all in the next read, maybe in your bi-weeklies. But yeah, I have started the tarot reads again, and it's gonna be awesome time. I'll see you all next time. Till then, take care. Bye bye.